welcome to the GLT show. And this is me, I'm David, and Lee is right behind the camera. He's manning the camera today. So today is a little different. We bought a lot of stuff, and so much on Amazon that we kind of lost track of everything. So Lee, can you grab me a box and let's just get started. Let's see what's in the goodies that we have. All right, let's see. What is this? Ready to go?
Here's a knife.
Oh, thanks. I need there's scissors. Good old knife. All right, box number 1. I think the other box comes together. We'll see. All right. Okay, I don't need this. So in that giant box is this one thing.
What do you think that is?
I think this is the umbrella. Yep, protect us from the rain. Yes. Oh, not just one, but two. Two fancy umbrellas. So this is basically we'll be using for lighting to kind of flash back in and soften the light. So we'll have 2 of those. All right, Lee, what's the next box? Okay. All right, so second box. This. Oh yes, it is my new tripod. So of course one
Deal
wasn't
tripod.
enough. Yeah, you need to have 2, right? At least. And yes, the triple cold shoe mount. This is actually for the gimbal that you're holding. It will be attached right on the bottom here, and then we can add additional accessories to it, like a light, a mic, whatever we want.
Cool.
So. Here we go. All right, let's see the next box. Bang! Whoa. Almost like I had a flying knife into my leg here.
Whoa.
I think this may be our lighting system. Yes. The CN304 from Neewer. Is that how you pronounce it, Lee? Neewer?
Sure.
There's another one.
How many did you get?
I should have 3, I believe. No, actually no, I think just two. Just 2. I should have another smaller one, but that's for something else. But for the studio lighting, so one of them will be for the front, and one of them will be for the back. within boxes. right for the lights. Perfect. Let's open here. There we go.
Nice.
All right, what's the next box? Oh, here we go. Let's see what our next box is. Ooh. This is a mini LED.
What is that for?
This is used to attach to what you're holding right now for the gimbal.
Cool.
And then that way you get a little more lighting.
Huh?
Is it a big difference? Noticeable?
Sort of.
You can also dim the lights super bright right now too. Whoa! I'm blinded! I'm blinded! So, a few actually goodies that I already had open. We got the Rode Video Micro mic here. I tested it out. Works decently well. There are some drawbacks, but I guess we'll talk more about it in our next video. This is an extension cable. So if we're filming, we want to get that mic really close, or especially for that mic for an interview. That's what we'll be using. And this, I believe, is a adapter for the lighting system. So you can see you can put the umbrella right through here. The umbrella right through this hole right here. Mount the light on top. So that gives you some space for the umbrella. And here, this one of the things we're looking forward to, especially when we're doing live interviews, these are wireless mics. So one adapter will cover for both mics for interviews.
How do they work?
They're wireless signals. So we connect this with we connect this here. And then we connect this piece to the phone or the DSLR. Yep, exactly.
With another adapter.
Yeah, with this white piece here. So let's imagine. Actually, we actually need one more cable, the converter, because this is actually you see there's two black lines here. For the phones, you need actually the one with 3 black lines, because that one of them is the audio line, I believe. So you can't just connect it like that. You have to have the converter. As a matter of fact, what the heck is this? Nope, that's probably the charger. So we need one more cable. This goes to the phone. Then it connects to this. This is the receiver end, the wireless receiver, which receives audio from these 2 microphones. So pretty neat. I look forward to testing this out. So look forward to our next one of our episodes. We'll be reviewing this. And then finally, the Gorilla Pad. So there's different models. There's the 1K, 3K, and 5K. So what does the K mean, the 3K mean? It means it can handle up to 3 kilograms. Yes, I know we're in the US. I don't know how many pounds that is.
It's about 6.6 pounds.
Did you know? Oh wait, it says on the box here.
Does it? Oh.
Really? Wow, you knew that. That's amazing. So, yeah, 6.6 pounds. I was testing it out earlier. It works great. I mean, you can definitely feel that it can handle the 6.6 pounds or the 3,000 grams or 3 kilos. There's what do you call that? A
Leveler.
Leveler. Yep. And you press a button. You can eject this, so it makes it easy for changes. You can loosen this. It goes all around here, and you can turn the bottom here, or you can tighten this up and even change the head if you want to. And it uses that 1/4 inch adapters. You put in a 1/4 inch adapter to this Gorilla Pod. So there you have it. Those are some of the extra pieces of gear. Definitely, we're growing our video collection, video gear collection. All right, what's next? Bring it in. All right. Oh, we got 2. We got 3. I think a pair of scissors is easier than these. Actually, I might not even need it. Just all right. It's like Christmas. Ooh, I was looking at this. This is sweet. So you just mount your phone right on a 1/4 inch. After. Ooh, nice. I think this is, yeah. So this right here is basically here, there's a picture here.
Oh, it's a rig.
Yeah, it's a rig. It's a full rig. So you can put 2 lights on the top, a mic on the top, plus your phone right in the middle of it. You can see, you're kind of holding it. You're holding it like that. Super excited about that. Oh, the Spider 5 Pro. So I think this collab helps calibrates your monitor, right?
Yes.
To get the most accurate lighting or color correction. Very awesome. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna open up the Ailun U-Rig Pro smartphone rig. Oh, there we go. So with the GorillaPod, we have GorillaPod here attached to a tripod randomly. So we have the head of the GorillaPod attached to our gimbal, and then which is connected to our Pixel 2 XL.